Guys, this is a quick rundown of this Mini that I've come out to diagnose. It wasn't starting. The guys that tried to do it before, they changed the starter motor and it didn't work. It kept happening, so I had to what the customer told me is that the guy who fitted the starter motor could hotwire the starter motor and the car would start, which would let me know that there's no immobilizer problem, right? So I tried to trace the starter motor wire back because I saw all this red. Sorry, mate. Messed up my video, man. Yeah, this brown stuff is cooling. These Minis, you know them, they overheat. So this is the pressure cap. So it's been pumping out there. So I thought maybe there might be some damaged wires there, but there wasn't. So the starter motor wire comes up to here. See, I probed it there, right in the corner there. So I could start the car from there, boom. Start the car from this side as well, boom. Okay, so then I had to trace this wire back into the car because I'm not too familiar with where the bits were on this. So I see the wire here. Yeah, it comes in there, and I thought it was coming to the back of this fuse box with this yellow wire here, but it's not that. The resistance was super high, so I stripped this down a little bit to see where it was going. This damn wire goes all across to the other side. The wire came across to this side, which was this one here, and I can start it from there. So I probed this wire, boom, it started. Then looked at the wiring diagram. The ignition switch sends a feed down this blue wire. Immobilizer control module does this bit and then sends the power down this wire. So when I put power on this wire, it started, boom. So I thought, shit, man, that means it's going straight to the ignition. So just as I touched this thing here, the damn car started working again. Well, I've disconnected the battery at the moment because I'm going to put the front back together, but yeah, this car just needs a damn ignition switch. So hopefully that helps you guys out. The R51 Mini, R50, R51, R52, whatever. Anyway, you know, just look at this car. If it matches yours, it could be the same thing. Good luck. Like and subscribe, please. Subscribe, please.